Let's get quickly to the video of migrating a MySQL table to Snowflake while discovering and encrypting personal data in motion before writing the data to Snowflake. After the video, listen to more about our CCPA and GDPR offerings and other file systems to migrate to, on the cloud. I will demonstrate migrating a MySQL table to Snowflake on AWS. Here we see that the email column in MySQL is not encrypted, nor is the name Lisa. The name of the table is Customer 1. Here we see the schema of the MySQL table for it will be used in the Snowflake migration. Here in Snowflake we see there is no Customer 1 table migrated as of yet. Now we are establishing a connection to the MySQL database and table to be migrated, and selecting to encrypt selected and entered data in motion. Now I am selecting to migrate the MySQL data to Snowflake. Next, I will establish parameters like credentials, warehouse, schema and database name in Snowflake. Now I can select one or many patterns to search for. I am selecting the email pattern to encrypt, and I will enter the name, Lisa, to also search for and encrypt. Now I will submit the process to run. Now that the process has completed, let's view the metadata and the counts that were found in discovery and encrypted for emails and Lisa. Now we see in Snowflake the Customer 1 table was migrated over and the emails as well as the name Lisa were encrypted before written to the Snowflake table. Here we see the schema attributes were brought over from the Customer 1 migrated table. Now based on users' permissions data may be decrypted, so I am running a job to decrypt the emails and Lisa in Snowflake. The safest way to read encrypted data is to use our proxy that handles the conversion securely and not at the system source of record. As we see in the decrypt column, it shows encrypted. Now that the job ends, it shows decrypt for the process decrypted the emails and name Lisa. Now we see in the Snowflake Customer 1 table the emails and the name Lisa are no longer encrypted. We also see the schema was adjusted now that those values are decrypted. This video previews our migration to Snowflake release. We migrate data in motion with discovery and encrypting of personal data to Redshift, S3, Snowflake, Hadoop. Automated Spark application with GUI or Spring APIs. We also offer CCPA, GDPR compliance for Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2, MySQL and PostgreSQL, S3, Redshift, Hadoop, Snowflake, MongoDB. We offer 100% remote delivery with results starting in hours. This Spark, Java application with a WildFly GUI is scalable to Petabytes. We deliver migration from on-prem, Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2, MySQL and PostgreSQL, to S3, Redshift, Hadoop and Snowflake. We have created proxies that allow e-commerce, websites, analytics and applications to communicate non-encrypted data with encrypted, compliant data with a simple port change for MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Our CCPA, GDPR compliance offers, DPIA, discovery/encryption of personal data, outliers, AML, right of erasure, usage, consent, risk, business classification, biometrics with facial and object recognition and more.